Welcome. We cry because of several reasons. Whenever we feel sad about something, when we get hurt physically, or when we see emotional scenes in movies, we shed tears. It is fine and everyone cries. You must have heard about how crying is good and it is a sign of a tough human being. But sometimes we end up bursting in tears without any obvious reason. Sometimes suddenly we feel overwhelmed and emotional and just start shedding tears. If you are tensed about why you are crying without any rhyme or reason, then you should know that there will always be some underlying root cause. So welcome to my channel. Here in this video I'm gonna talking about why do we sometimes cry without any rhyme or reason. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. One of the major reasons could be depression, which is a mood disorder. Feeling of being worthless, hopeless, and low energy, losing interest in things you enjoy can all pile up and blast away in the form of tears. You don't have to be clinically diagnosed with depression to experience signs of it. Another potential reason is an anxiety disorder. Aside from crying, thinking about impending danger, feeling nervous and constant worrying are some warning signs. Depression and anxiety are two common causes. There are several other reasons which may not seem like a conscious connection for your crying, but could be the reason. Number 1. Sleep deprivation. You need at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep every day. If you fail to get the right amount of sleep, then it will disrupt your emotion as well as moods. For then and worse, lack of sleep leads to altered emotional reactivity, and our brain loses the ability to distinguish between what's important and what's trivial and manageable. Because of this, everything seems like a big deal. Minor triggers can lead to emotional outbursts. Number 2. Burnout. Stress and burnout from work could be a potential reason for your crying for no reason. Breaking into tears acts as a vent for all the tension which has been adding up. Aside from crying, headaches, stomach issues, and aches are some other signs of burnout and stressful life. So, working more on being under pressure or in conflict and tense environment can be bad for you. So make sure to take a break to relieve the stress and the signs. Number 3. Premenstrual syndrome. Being weepy, moody and bloating are some of the signs of premenstrual syndrome. Around 1 or 2 weeks before your periods, you may experience mood swings, trouble focusing, angry outbursts, anxiety and crying spells. Other physical signs of PMS are breast tenderness, tiredness, headaches, hunger, digestive problems and aches. These happen because of hormonal changes. So yes, unexpected crying could be due to PMS also. Number 4. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Are you having vitamin B12 deficiency? Then the unexpected crying could be due to the same This particular vitamin is very important for blood and nerve cells, and deficiency of B12 can lead to depression, apathy, and irritability. Other signs are weakness, tiredness, weight loss, loss of appetite, constipation, poor memory, confusion, and megaloblastic anemia, among others. Find out if you lack this nutrient, and your physician will help you with treatment. Number 5. Low blood sugar. Low blood sugar or hypoglycemia could be the reason why you easily become tearful. The disorder can happen when we have too much carbohydrates, binge drinking, malnutrition, fasting, Addison's disease, or an issue with the heart, liver, or kidneys, among others. Other signs are hunger, sweating, tiredness, dizziness, and heart palpitations, blurred vision, confusion, and sleepiness. Number 6. Pseudobulbar effect. Pseudobulbar effect, aka PBA, is a condition that happens to people with neurological injuries or conditions. It impacts our brain processes of emotions. It causes episodes of sudden and uncontrollable crying or laughing. This mostly happens to people who have brain injury, multiple sclerosis, dementia, or stroke survivors. Medicines are available to reduce the frequency and severity of emotional outbursts. So here are the causes that you can cry without any reason. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. It will be a like supporting to me. Turn on the bell icon for every updates. Thanks for watching.